Hey there, Personnage community. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of artificial intelligence and its profound impact on the job market. We'll explore which occupations are at risk due to AI and which careers will thrive, thanks to the irreplaceable human touch. The AI era is upon us, and it's set to reshape the workforce in unimaginable ways. Let's examine a few occupations that face disruption from AI technology. Human laborers on assembly lines may soon be replaced by tireless robotic counterparts, offering unmatched precision and efficiency. For example, Tesla's Gigafactory employs advanced robotics to assemble electric vehicles at an unprecedented scale. The remarkable speed and accuracy of AI-driven data management outpace human data analysts, leaving them struggling to compete. AI tools like IBM's Watson are revolutionizing industries by rapidly processing and analyzing vast amounts of data. AI chatbots are revolutionizing customer service, providing quick and efficient solutions to customer inquiries. The adoption of virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa showcases the growing trust in RE's capabilities to address our daily needs. AI algorithms excel at managing investments, detecting fraud, and predicting market trends, changing the face of the financial sector. Robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment are reshaping the way we manage our finances. Surprisingly, even AI creators face challenges from the technology they create. Machine learning algorithms and AI tools automate code generation, testing, and debugging, potentially impacting human developers. GitHub's Copilot tool is a prime example of AI-powered code assistance. AI is even making its way into the legal and journalism sectors. Platforms like Ross Intelligence assist with legal research, while companies like Automated Insights generate news articles using natural language processing algorithms. Despite RE's transformative power, some occupations, which rely on human connection and empathy, will withstand RE's impact. Let's meet these resilient champions. The empathetic care of nurses, the reassuring presence of doctors, and the compassionate guidance of therapists are essential to the healing process. Human touch and understanding are vital components that AI cannot replicate. While AI can provide information, human educators inspire curiosity, engage the hearts and minds of learners, and shape future generations. The bond between students and teachers goes beyond the mere dissemination of knowledge. Artists, writers, and musicians will continue to thrive in a world seeking authentic and emotive expression, as they remain the custodians of human culture and creativity. AI-generated art, while intriguing, lacks the depth and emotional connection of human-made creations. Building trust and rapport with clients, understanding their needs, and tailoring personalized strategies are essential for successful sales and marketing endeavors in the AI age. A prime example is influencer marketing, which relies on genuine human connections to drive results. Entrepreneurs and business leaders will continue to flourish, as their strategic thinking, vision, and ability to inspire and manage teams are unmatched by AI. The human touch in decision-making and understanding market nuances remains essential for business success. HR professionals play a crucial role in building strong teams, fostering company culture, and supporting employee well-being. While AI can assist with tasks like resume screening, the human intuition and empathy required for conflict resolution and employee development cannot be replicated. As we move deeper into the AI era, it's clear that our best defense is to embrace and cultivate our unique human qualities. By nurturing empathy, creativity, and emotional intelligence, we can stay ahead of the AI curve and continue to thrive in an ever-changing world. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of the AI revolution and the power of humanity in the job market. Remember, our most potent asset remains our unwavering humanity. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Personnage for more insightful content.